Hey guys, Sylvia here. Welcome all to my KiddoCanvas review. So here we are on the sales page of KiddoCanvas, and in this KiddoCanvas review I'm going to show you guys the members area. I've got it here so you'll know exactly what the product looks like. Here we have the funnel. I'll show you around. Well, I'll show you what kind of upsells you will have. And by the way, this is the newest launch by Nelson Long, which is going live tomorrow on the 3rd of November at 9 a.m. New York time. Okay, Nelson Long is an excellent vendor. He's got a super decent score, right, on Warrior Plus, well over 4 stars, almost 4 stars and a half. So I have reviewed many of his products. They're always of excellent quality. Most of his products are PLR products, and so is this one. Okay, this one is no exception. Now I also have some amazing bonuses, like, personally selected by me, which I thought, after having gone through, the members area of the product, through the product and understanding what it's all about, I have selected some bonuses which will, I believe, nicely complement this product and help you with branding yourself and selling this product specifically on Etsy, because what KiddoCanvas are all about is your ultimate kids coloring selection. Not selection, but collection. Yeah, it rhymes. I was a poet and didn't know it, okay? Now, here we have 600 guys in-house designed unique children's coloring pages. And as you scroll down, through the sales page, I'm not going to read out all of that, whatever they say here on the sales page for you. Why should I, if you can do it yourself? The link to the sales page will be right below my review. I'll just point out to what's sort of really important here. I mean, the main key is that it is in-house collection of 600 coloring pages designed for children, which you can sell again. Here with my bonus, you will learn how to set up a listing, a store on Etsy. Etsy is the #1 platform where I would try and sell those coloring books. I mean, with, this product, you get 600 pages. Beautiful quality, supreme quality. You will see examples of them further down on the sales page. So let me just, and they look so much better. Open some of them up for you so you will see, as we go from inside of the members area, really amazing quality. And this is PNG. You can customize them, using an image editor software, but I wouldn't. They're just perfect as they are. Although, if you say package them up into coloring books, so say take 20 of them, because you will have them in different categories. Here I'll show you from inside of the members area. We'll get to that, but I just want to finish the sales page, sort of. So I would put them in categories and create, using Canva. You can obviously do that, and I would try and sell them this way. And then on the front page of the coloring book, I would just put perhaps my brand and my name on it and all of that, right? So this is how sort of you can add headlines, or although, to me they are truly perfect as they are, and you just they're ready to be printed, So, right, you will have some frequently asked questions. Here are, guys, at the end of the sales page, your PLR license rights. So do familiarize yourself with your license rights, your PLR, so personal label rights, So you can keep all of the profits, obviously, rebrand the product, all of that. There are a few things you cannot do, for example, distribute this product across platforms like Warrior Plus, JVC, or ClickBank. But with all honesty, I would say that the best platform to sell coloring books would be, again, Etsy. And with my bonuses, you will learn all about, advertising, selling on Etsy and all of that. Okay, let me show you the members area. So it will look like this. You just click through this button here, click here to log in to access your purchase product, and once you've done that, you will be taken to the next page, which is this one. But before I show you more, okay, let me tell you that this is Nelson's, the vendor's membership site, okay? So from here, you will have access to all of his previous products as well. So you can check them out. They're all of, great quality. I recall reviewing most of them. So, they got my stamp of approval and all of that, all of the good stuff. Right. So here we have the members area to this specific KiddoCanvas product. So what you do, guys, you just click to start here, and then you will be taken to the download page. And from the download page, you can download all of them at once, download all, although I wouldn't recommend you to do that because it may take some time. What I would do, I would just download them one by one individually. So as you can see, you have them here put in different categories. So animals, Christmas, cultural symbols, dinosaurs. I don't know what that came from. Dinosaurs, everyday heroes, fairy tales, animal farms. What else do we have? Financing, literacy. Literacy for kids. Foods and fruits, future technology, magical schools, some mandala and pattern designs. These are very popular. Mythical creatures, that's very cool too. Pirates, very popular. Season change, all of the seasons. Superheroes, time travel. So different categories, and let me just show you an example of some of them. I had them downloaded here. I downloaded the animals, so I'm just going to show you what kind of animals you will have. Beaver, let me show you the beaver. You see, super nice quality, ready to be printed. Let me show you the bull. There you go. Let me show you the camel. That's the one. Let me show you the cheetah. Oh, this is gorgeous. Those eyes. So yeah, that's what it's going to look like. Okay, this product. And here are my let me show you my bonuses, because apart, guys, from all of the full-on training course on Etsy, there's a lot to show. It's a video training, okay? But I also show you those two other bonuses I have for you, which are, by the way, the training on Etsy is PLR itself, okay? The other two bonuses, Believe in Your Vision, is a master reseller right ebook. So you can keep all of the profits from selling it. You can resell it, but not rebrand it, okay? And then there's another bonus I have for you, Branding Yourself and Your Business. It's also master reseller right. So let me show you those two, so you will see what kind of bonuses I have here for you. Where were they? Okay, Believe in your vision. I like that a lot. You see, you have all of that. You've got the opt-in page, you've got the ebook, you've got the covers, you've got your license here. So let me show you the ebook. Believe in Your Vision. This one is about how many? 23 pages long. So beautiful ebook. All right. And the other bonus I have for you guys is this one here. So Branding Yourself and Your Business. This is also master reseller rights. You have the sales page, ebook, covers. You've got your license. Let me show you the ebook quickly. And this one is quite long, 49, so almost 50 pages long. There you go, all to do with how to brand yourself and, all of that. So cool. You could use them as bonuses, guys. You know, these my bonuses, and you know, if you're an affiliate marketer or something yourself, then you could go ahead and use these as bonuses. They are master reseller rights. They come with this sort of license. And guys, just in case you'd like to rebrand those coloring pages, okay? Although, I mean, I wouldn't say that it's necessary or it would be a good idea because they are perfect as they are. But in case you want to add some headlines or something, okay, or your logo and stuff like that, I would recommend you go use Photopea. It's a free alternative to Photoshop. It's a excellent image editor, a free one. Okay, just Google it, Photopea, and you can do, you can drop any file, any of these files in here, okay, and do the customization. Now, let me show you also the funnel, guys. There will be an inline sale, an inline offer to the front end. So the front end will be around $20. I believe on the sales page you should have, I'm just letting you know, there should be a $5 discount as you try and sort of exit the sales page, but it will only pop up once. Okay, so if you see that, I'm just letting you know so you can purchase it for less than what they say here. They say here it's $24.70 once it launches tomorrow. But there will be an inline offer as well, like a bump, which I was talking to Nelson and he did tell me, I was asking him about the customization, all of that. He said that, the front end product is PNG, right? In that format. But the inline offer will be SVG file, guys. Okay, so you can use vector software like Inkscape. I don't know the software personally, but that's what Nelson recommends, Inkscape. I was chatting with him. And you can use it for this inline offer, which is a bump offer on the front end. If you wish to further rebrand, okay, or customize. But due to, as he said, due to impracticality, most people would choose not to do that, probably. Because again, the product is perfect as it is. But I'm just letting you know, the inline offer will be in a different format. And it will be easier to customize it and rebrand. Now, there will be also this KiddoCanvas upgrade for $47. And there will be an inline offer to OTO number 1 for $9.99 as well. And these would be sort of these free, one OTO and 2 inline sort of bump offers. They would be related to the front end itself, right? To the main offer. You will have more upsells, guys, but the rest of the upsells would be previous Nelson's products. His previous launches, like this children ebook combo, timeless novel combo, motivational videos combo, digital planner combo, and some memberships as well. Okay, which are either monthly subscriptions or one-time payment. So yeah, you'll have them available here as well, just in case you would like to get some of his previous products. You can, but you may as well have purchased them when they first launched. So yeah, just check them out, see what you have, and then if you already have it or you don't want it, just skip it. Okay, skip and forget. But what I would definitely recommend is the inline offers, is the OTO number 1, so the front end OTO number 1 and the bump offers, because they're all sort of about the same stuff, coloring pages. Okay, right, I guess I've covered everything, guys. So that was my KiddoCanvas review. Again, I've got some really good bonuses for those who decide to buy the product via the link below my review, guys. Okay, so love you and leave you, and see you very soon. Bye bye.